my guy. I know you guys have been dying to go back to school, which is funny to hear, but most of you have been out of school for what, 1-2 years? You haven't been on college campuses. Well, now that you're back, you gotta go back with the vengeance. You gotta go back with some of your strongest fits to ensure that this school year is your most attractive one, that you're getting every girl you want. My guy, today I'm gonna show you 7 back to school outfits. These are simple outfits that you should have that'll get you through the entire year and make sure you look good. Let's hop into it. Number 1, the short shorts and oversized tee. This is a staple at this point for summer. If you don't have this fit, you are missing out. See, the oversized tee is great because it hides all the goods up here, especially if you have any imperfections in the midsection. It's gonna hide all of that. The short shorts, it exposes the quads you should have been working on all summer. That athletic fit just looks good. You wanna mix it with some high tops like some Nike Blazers, put some high socks in. Now your legs look a little shorter, a little more compact. You look more athletic. My guy, you look like a king. Number 2, the heavyweight sweatsuit. Look, fall and winter's in the corner. Buying a sweatsuit's the best thing you can do when it comes to versatility for school. See, if you have the crew neck, you can wear just a crew neck with the short shorts, or you throw it on with some pair of jeans. Or you can wear the sweatsuit together and you look sick. Or you just wear the sweatpants with a t-shirt, and we already know what women think about sweatpants. But here's the thing, you wanna make sure it's nice and heavyweight. You want a thick fabric that gives you that bulky feel that's not only comfortable, but also it's durable. See, most hoodies, like the ones you buy from H&M, they're about 200 GSM. GSM are basically grams per square meter. This is the metric that we use to weigh fabric. The higher the GSM, the more expensive it is to produce and the more durable it is. So, for example, designer stuff like your Balenciaga or your Fear God, this will be about 350 GSM. It's way better quality than the other stuff. Well, what we're dropping this August 28th for our new Essentials launch, my guy. The entire collection is called the Heavyweight Collection. I designed this with a purpose. I wanted a fabric that was better than anything you would find in the market. Our fabric, 480 GSM, my guy. This is one of our zip-up hoodies, by the way. The fit, the feel. When I tell you you're being hugged by a literal blanket, you are being hugged by a literal blanket, and the crazy part is that I'm making sure that you look good while you're staying comfortable. I'm telling you right now, the chances are that this August 28th collection is going to fly and most likely going to sell out, especially now that everybody's going back to school. If you're not buying one of these pieces, yo, this is going to be the most versatile piece that you're going to be having on your campus. If you guys want to check it out, I'm telling you right now, put a reminder on your phone. August 28th, 10 a.m. Eastern. You want to be one of the first ones there. The entire color palette. Yo, the entire thing, we're shooting it in Iceland. We're going to what is known as the world's most dangerous beach, which is insane. The entire color palette was all pulled from here. When I tell you that this is the sickest collection we've ever done, this is the best collection we've ever done. If you don't have a heavyweight sweatsuit for fall and winter and for back to school, yo, Essentials, yeah, we got you covered. Number 3, the clean all black outfit. Here we're gonna keep it simple. Some black jeans. You can wear either black sneakers or black boots, and then just a black simple t-shirt. Again, we went with the oversized tee here. This one's a heavyweight tee, which also is dropping August 28th. This specific t-shirt, 14 ounces. Again, just for reference, a basic t-shirt will be anywhere from 3 to 5 ounces. Ours, 14 ounces. When I tell you, sourcing these fabrics was not easy nor cheap. It's for a reason. No other retailer's using this type of weight because it's so expensive and hard to source. Yo, just look at the difference. See, this is the type of t-shirt that you buy once and it actually keeps its fit. You get that nice boxy oversized fit that's not gonna shrink like cheap t-shirts. You also know it's thick, so it's gonna last you a long time. And moreover, we made the neck nice and tight, nice and thick, just because I hate bacon necks, and I wanted a t-shirt that could be with you for the next 5 years. Boys, this is dropping August 28th as well, and our entire heavyweight, this thing's gonna move fast. Number 4, the chino and short sleeve button up. See, because sometimes you're gonna wanna dress it up. You're gonna wanna switch it up and you're gonna wanna look good, a little bit more dapper, more put together. This is when you pull out the chinos and the button up. But you don't want a long sleeve button up because it could be a little bit too much. A short sleeve shows off the guns, shows off the chest. You throw a chain. Now you're looking sexy. Number 5, oversized jeans. See, for the all black fit, you might have wanted jeans that fit a little bit better. But for this fit, you want to wear jeans, but you want to stay comfortable. And we already know that classic fit is in style right now, boys. So you match that with another oversized piece like a crew neck or a hoodie, throw on some basic Air Force Ones. Now you got a comfortable fit, something that's not suffocating, but my God, you look stylish. You're gonna look superior to everybody else. Not like don't walk around superior, but my God, you just look superior. Now, since this outfit's so simple, the accessories matter. So when it comes to jewelry, you might wanna throw on a watch and a necklace. Or if you really wanna spice it up, you really wanna stand out, throw on some sort of bag, whether it's a crossbody bag or a messenger bag or a backpack. A bag will definitely level this fit up. Number 6, see, this is the fit that I was talking about. This is for the guy that's confused. He's a little bipolar. He's cold on top, but he's warm on the bottom. See, sometimes when you have that sweatsuit, you can break it up as separates. A sweatsuit really gives you like 4, 5, 6 different outfits in one. Here, we're wearing the crew neck from the sweatsuit with shorts. This is a really nice fit where you stay nice and comfortable, but you're still lounging. You still look stylish without actually putting too much effort, which rolls on to number 7, cargos. See, cargos are in style right now. These are in a technical fabric, which kind of puts you more on trend, and it's a fabric that's versatile. So whether it's winter or summer, you're gonna be able to wear it year round. And the good thing with cargos is that they really just match with almost any top. A crew neck, a hoodie, a t-shirt. Cargos are gonna look good. And the great part is that if you really wanna dress it up, there's actually even formal cargos or chino cargos that you can swap in instead of technical ones that will kind of break everything up. And that's basically it for this week's video, guys. Those are 7 different outfits that you can wear for back to school that are gonna level you up this year. If you guys liked this video and found it informative, don't forget to drop us a like down below. Also, don't forget, August 28th, our new collection for essentials is dropping. You're not gonna wanna miss that. That's it for me today. See you next time.